Part 2 of the garage walk. Getting interrupted right into people. And I thought I paused it, and I guess when your phone shuts off, it actually will turn it off. So, but anyways, should be a hot day today. Pole winning car. Right there. There's Tony Kanaan coming right now on his bike. So Tony Kanaan is going to be taking the refresher course tomorrow, or Thursday, I'm sorry.
We'll see you around.
I'm going to try to be here for that. No, you're fine. Sato's car. I believe he was the fastest Honda of all of the ones that qualified. It might be Felix, but I believe it was Sato yesterday. There's Elio's pit. There's Felix Rosenquist right there. That's one of my favorite cars, that 5-hour energy car. I hope that they're back for a long time. Love the reflective fire suits or pit crew shirts and fire suit that they use for Graham Rahal's car. And then here's the Andretti area. All their cars made it in. It was close with Marcus yesterday, but he'll be starting 32nd. I believe if you want to come out today, the practice starts at 1 p.m. and goes till 3 or 3:30. Marco's car. I believe, yep, that's Marcus Ericsson's. They still have to do a little bit of work there to get some more speed, probably. And it's cool is the Andretti's have both sides of this garage. This is the gas station for the cars. See if I can, I don't know, hopefully that doesn't look bad. I'm shifting for this part. Ed Carpenter's cars. They did a fantastic job getting Uranus VK out and making the Fast 12. Ed Carpenter's car as well. This is the technical inspection area. This is where they're going to go and put the cars in to make sure that they're all up to code and the rules. And that's basically the end of it. I'm going to go back through. I missed one area. Hard going back and forth in the garage over here. IndyCar K1 gear, Firestone. Here's Dale Coyne. I believe I got. Nope, that's Elio's. Never mind. But they're firing it up. There's Elio right there. This way. I do some more videos. I'm working on firing up the cars with different cars later. I just wanted to do a quick walk through the garage. There goes Grosjean.
Hey, if it's a late start.
If you're looking for autographs today, it's one of the better days to get it. Junko's cars, both cars got in solidly into the field. Here's Grosjean's car. And the real car, I was thinking, not that these aren't, the one I was thinking originally was Cusack Motorsports, Connor Daly and Hunter Ray. For that young team.
There's always, you know, the people up in the tower.
Ryan Hunter Ray's garage area. It's pretty cool. And that's gonna be it for this garage tour. Well, they might fire it up here in a second, but if not, I will. Yeah, I might have another video in a couple minutes. But hope you enjoyed the quick garage tour of the Indianapolis Motor Speedway 2024.